Good morning.
Maranatha.
I'm Bo.
I'm Nolan.
I'm Max.
And I'm Kennedy.
This is your main outlook.
There will be no school on November 2nd and 3rd due to parent-teacher conferences. Parents are encouraged to drop off a meal to bless our teachers. Sign-up details are in this week's main outlook and on the Parents with Purpose Facebook page.
Do you break into a sweat at the sight of needles? To help save a life, it might be time to conquer those fears. The blood drive is rolling into town on November 8th. We're calling all brave souls age 16 and up, students, parents, and staff, to pop into the mall hall and give the gift of life. Plus, every senior who donates will be entered into a drawing for some fun prizes.
Ladies, get ready to espresso yourself at the next Mom's Coffee on November 10th, right after drop-off in the coffee house. You've been juggling juice boxes, carpool chaos, and teenage dramas, so why not take a little breather with your fellow mom rats and enjoy a cup of joe?
Ladies of MCA, mark your calendars and secure your stretchy pants for the Friendsgiving event on November 14th, where you can enjoy a meal that you didn't have to cook or clean up after. There will be guest speakers to tickle your brain, games and prizes to tickle your competitive spirit, and lots of laughs to tickle your funny bone. Don't forget to register, because the only thing better than Thanksgiving is Friendsgiving.
Your next Maranatha morning is on November 17th after drop-off in the coffee house. All guests receive a free brewed coffee and a pastry item, so be sure to pop out.
School will be taking a Thanksgiving timeout from November 22nd to the 24th. We're closing our doors to give everyone a chance to count their blessings, devour pumpkin pie like it's a competitive sport, and watch the Gridiron Showdown. Packers vs. Lions, baby.
Hang up the mistletoe at MCA's Mistletoe Market. MCA's Christmas Boutique will take place on Saturday, December 2nd in the gymnasium. Dozens of vendors will be selling gifts and stocking stuffers that are sure to slay your holiday gift-giving game.
With winter coming up, make sure to familiarize yourself with the school's emergency closing procedures. There's a link in the main outlook for more information.
Oh shucks, this is all the time we have.
We hope you stay informed.
And stay rooted.
And built up in Him. Catch you on the flip side.